I have arrived on the second call for my regular customer, where I already have fixed the dishwasher and the double oven. Now the fridge is bad. So have prepared everything we need, hopefully, to fix that, but if not, we need to wait or get a new fridge. So we'll see what we have.
Well, hello again.
Hello, how's it going? How's
Fine.
everything going? Good. Yeah.
Excuse me, I just had a mouthful. I just got and nice and cold, makes ice and all of that.
Okay. Uh-huh.
We have electricity, but we don't have coal.
Oh, that's you, John. Hi there, how's it going? Yeah, I see it's extremely warm, kinda, maybe 60. To find the diagram or the spare part model number, I'm using searspartsdirect.com. I wouldn't recommend you buy the parts from there because it's going very slow, but it's good to see diagram. I'm assuming the problem with the damper, because the fan blowing the air and the freezer cold well enough. I'm going to check how to reach the damper and finally diagnose it. I'm going to test the damper motor on continuity. I put my tester on these settings and I didn't hear anything. So there is no continuity and very low resistance level. This motor works with the 120 volts. I'm just going to connect it directly to the power and see what happens. A black and red. I don't have enough space. Shit. So, but what we can do, just cut these wires, because I know it's done. Just let's try it. I don't care about this part, honestly. So I know what the problem is.
What is the problem?
The problem is the damper wouldn't close and open. It basically, the motor burned, there is no continuity. And how do I know it's bad? I cut the wires, as you see. This part works from 120 volts. I connect it directly to the outlet and it just makes buzzing noise when it turns on. So we need to replace this part.
Okay, and so what is this? What's it called?
It's damper.
A damper.
It's supposed to open and close the damper to give the fridge breathing.
And where is that in here?
On the top of your fridge over there.
We've never changed the water filter, so
Yeah, it's a good point to
can you
replace
get us
it.
one new one?
Absolutely.
Fine, thank you.
Yeah. It shouldn't be expensive, around $50 maybe, or 60.
Yeah.
That will be original for a 1 year.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So the damper is $150, the filter roughly about 50, the labor is $250, the total around 500.
Okay. Do we,
Plus, I will do all adjustments that needs to be done. I mean, the handles, all these funny playing things will be fixed. Yeah, as I said, the damper didn't work. I connected directly to the outlet and just buzzing noise, the thing won't work. So for tomorrow, I have one more job and I need to come back tomorrow here to fix the fridge. I need to get the filter and the damper. See you tomorrow. Appliance repair and rental and nearby.